Hey traders, welcome to episode 394 or something of the show. Could be doing anything on Tuesday, but you're here and that's freaking awesome. Thank y'all. Yeah man, Dash dude. Dash is doing things. About time, man. We had pretty good entry. I mean, it was almost perfect, our entry. So here we are, man. Here we are breaking out of the triangle on a daily time scale on very high volume. Very high volume. Those higher lows are real. They were anyway. And here we are hitting the 200-day moving average, using it as a resistance right now.
Hi everyone.
What's up, Dance Dallas, man? Thanks for $3.33, dude. Tron Connects in the jar. Thanks, man. Thank you. Alright. I know Dan's probably happy about this too, man. So, we are overbought on the 4 hour, okay? So don't get too cocky. We could easily pull back, but right now on the daily, we're hitting that overbought territory right at 70.69, right? So, of course it could get overbought, but you know, dude, anytime Dash gets overbought, man, it doesn't last long. I mean, historically on the Binance chart, we've been overbought really only twice. Once during the Great FOMO and once in February. So, daily, not 4 hour. All right, so let's just see how things go at this. But we're breaking, you know, we're breaking above the 200 moving average right now, 200-day moving average, but we still have about an hour. Crap, man, I might have to change my timing again on my stream. I have to go like 1 hour. How does that work? I guess the universal time doesn't change when daylight savings. I guess that makes sense, right? Huh. I might have changed times again. I don't know, because normally I like going an hour, and then on that hour, at the end of that hour, our daily time scale change. Like, you know, our daily candle closes. Still a little loud. Wow. See, now it's too quiet, man. It's stupid, dude. It's pretty decent right there. Let's make sure to speak up a little bit. Dang, man. See, it's just like it's not what I want. Okay. Should be good. But alright, so, you know, all this happened. Congratulations on breaking out. You're not out of the neck of the woods at all. Why? Because, I mean, the measure move, the first target's really the measure move of the triangle. Okay? Because, like, this is a much greater swing trade. Okay? This is a much more monumental development on Dash, just because we were in this downsloping channel since freaking December of 2017. Dude, it's been going, it's one of the worst sell-offs I've seen, like, on this market. You know, in the ones that are on TradingView, like this one's just been devastated for a year and about 4 to 5 months. Okay, so we're talking almost a year and a half now. Dash wrecked. Okay, but it finally did something. It broke out of a downsloping channel, right, that one, but it kept making lower lows. But on this most previous low, it was slightly lower than the low before it. And what was it doing there, man? You know what it was doing. Bullish divergence on the RSI on the daily time scale.
Twilio, please. A high flyer that has gone from 25 to 125 this year in 1 year, almost 500%. Reminds me of Nvidia and Square a bit, when wrecked. TWLO.
Yeah, dude, not gonna be easy. I know Larly was talking about a short on this too, because it's insane. I think there was a harmonic too. We'll look at it. Sure. For sure. Thanks, dude, for the 318 HG, man. Kings. Oh, also, by the way, everyone, yeah, it's happened. I gave in. And what have I done? I'll show you what I've done. And it's right here. You see it? Instagram.com/MitchRayTA. Go follow me over there if you're on Instagram. Most people are, I guess. It's word on the street anyway. So it would really help out a lot. I'm trying to grow that thing because I got to. I have to, right? It's like part and parcel of streaming, and I put it off for a freaking year. So there you go, man. I'm gonna be posting like IRL stuff, my battle station stuff, chart stuff, everything about me stuff, more than Twitter. Okay, so this is gonna be like my new main thing that I'm gonna be posting most of my stuff on, right? So check me out, Instagram.com/MitchRay. And then, you know, if you look above my name plate way up there, Those are just all like different platforms that I am on: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Patreon, Discord, Twitch, and YouTube. Alright, so check me out on each one if you want. It's all part of that branding thing. You've got to do it, man. Alright, I'm sorry. Just like I got to talk about Dash before Bitcoin, just cuz. Alright. Anyway, high to low, high point, major discernible swing high to low. 38% retrace. That's the second target if we could ever hit the measured move of the triangle. So we still don't know, right? We don't act like we know. We just talk about probabilities of things happening, breaking the upside downside. And this looked like a good shot of breaking the upside. And so now we hope and we wait. And third target, nothing wrong with just going with a 50% retrace. You can just keep it stair-stepping on up. You don't even have to take 100% profit here. If it just kept going up, man, you a little bit less. Like you don't close your position, you just move your stops up, and that will be done, right? If it just keeps going 618, 786, and then we start talking about major fibs up here, it could happen. All right, so just know when these things turn around, man, you think, oh man, I never hit, but dude, it's just you're just doing Fibonacci, and you're just doing it from a swing high that everyone else in the world would swing high it from. Okay, that's it. Holy crap, man! Let's check out Bitcoin now, I guess, right? Give it a shot. What was our entry? Entry was like right at Dash anyway. Like, dude, it was like, boom, hit it. You had like a day or two, day and a half to get in. And then it was gone. Just a couple days later, just a few days later. Being patient, man. Okay, you gotta wait in swing trading games, especially daily time scales. Very reliable, but it does require a tremendous amount of patience. Scan other charts. Have a day job, do things, okay? It's a hobby. You can make trading a hobby. Swing trading can be a hobby of yours. You don't have to just like, oh man, I've been inspired by watching movies, right? I got a day trade. Have fun with the bots, man. And the shorter time scales. And the level 2s. Alright, man, okay. Well, what happened, dude? Well, you had a upsloping flag. You broke down. Got very, very close to the measure move. And what we do, a little tweezer double bottom, and we reversed our price action. But in this reversal, we have not been able to break above the 20 moving average on the 4 hour, which, you know, we need to get above that. We need to stay above that and the 50. But this is okay. Like, this is literally okay. And this scenarios we thought could happen where we would break down, because we know these patterns do that a lot most of the time. But we also talked about, we break down. Is it really going to be that big a deal? We tweezer double bottom from the low point to high point, the 50% retrace. We know that's the most common area that we retrace before reversing price action. That's what we did. So now we're just waiting, okay? Man, we know like that this is an impulse, right? X, A, B, C, and now we're looking for the longer move, okay? It's gonna take a while, like we talked about yesterday. If it played out literally like this, up, down, look, if it went between like, it ran up, down, dude, it could take us to like freaking April to get there. So that's what I'm saying, buckle up. That's what swing trading is. Keep looking at other charts. Keep scanning the charts, man, for opportunities. Okay, because we know the best opportunity could very well be up at these fib levels for that short. And even if we hit that short and it breaks down 38%, 60% of the way, we could then bounce from there and keep running again, right? Or we could just dump into the abyss way down here. So we're not into the business of making predictions, price predictions, even though it's wonderful on SEO. It really is. We just like probabilities and saying if there's a higher probability of something happening based on coinciding variables and harmonics, whatever, let's do it, man. Let's give it a shot. If it fails, move on. Move on to the next one, man. Okay, cool, man. Hope you are, again, having a wonderful freaking Tuesday. And yeah, we're going to look at Twilio. Irwin Coffee, man. Irwin Coffee warms the soul. What's up, Anthony Hardy? True Stoner, man. Miss Cantomo, man. What's up, Skyward? Crypto Tiger. Is Bitcoin going up? It's going up. It's going down. It's doing things. It's the best TA you'll ever get. Up, down, up, down. All right. Robert A. Francisco. Hey, Dan. Ben's 420. Talk to Melissa about XRP. Hopefully you got the message, dude. All right. If you didn't, I'm going to get on to Melissa about that. All right. XRP. Arthur Beeswax. Alex, man, what's up? Hey, Zipper, dude. You say a chance of an inverse head and shoulders on the 1 to 4 hour Bitcoin. I mean, I get what you're saying, man. You'd have to sell off pretty freaking hard, like down to like 3,700 to get there, which, again, you could, but I don't know, man. Right over here, we talked, I mean, like, people were like, hey, is there a falling wedge going on? Yeah, there was potentially a falling wedge going on from C to D. At the end, someone was like, hey, is there a double bottom? I was like, we look at it, yeah, Adam and Eve double bottom. Yeah. But still doesn't invalidate the pattern, right?
Can you look at the top scrub coin BCHBTC, reserved Chinese?
Oh, kills for a living. Don't trigger anyone, okay? Because remember, the new hipster culture is who has the best S coin, all right? Or the worst S coin, the worst performing S coin, dude, all right? But, yep. On the list, dude. Dead man. Y'all gotta learn Chinese, okay? Kills for a living. Tell them, please. Light the torches of Gondor. Let the world know. So, yeah, man, look, dude, it's like multiple things can happen, but, I think that, you know, if it was to be a little bit more clear of an inverse head and shoulder, you'd be wanting, you know, you don't really want oblong shoulders. You want symmetry. So that means time, and you want same price, left shoulder, right shoulder, as close as possible. Of course, though, if you make a higher low, it's even better argument. And we saw that on 88 of BTC. When we were talking to Montana, he had a position open on the second lowest risk entry because it wasn't the best, but it was still decent because we were talking about bullish divergence on the double bottom that he saw, and it blasted off. It was great. Haven't seen Montana since we talked about it. Since he like made me chug like 3 beers, man. 6 chug variations on Friday night. If you missed that stream, Traveling TA, check it freaking out, man. Oh my god. So we're hoping we don't ever get down to 3,700 something, but we could, and it would not invalidate any kind of cipher because these things chop like crazy, especially on that last leg, which we're on. In the middle of the last leg, okay? That's it. Anyway, Ken Dash use the 200 moving average daily as support now. Well, we don't even have a close, man. We got an hour and 30 minutes till our close, so that thing could easily pull back and close below the 200-day moving average. So don't get cocky, Mr. Cantoma, man.
Where's coin theta/BTC, please?
Theta to BTC, uh-oh. C kills for a living, that's what I'm talking about, man. We got people coming in here saying the best. The best worst is Theta. You gotta learn Chinese kills for a living, dude. Just saying. Thanks to Crypto Shed, man. It's 690 sexual contribution, dude. You just surpassed everybody, man. You're now the session top, dude. What's up, Julia? Hope you're having a good one. Garrett K. Dude, alright, everyone. This is all on Chaylin, because if Chaylin doesn't do, if he doesn't get, like, he has a deadline. The deadline's Thursday. I hope he's watching. We talked about it. Thursday night. Jeopardy, chat. Okay. Still working on the logistics on how we're going to get 3 contestants. I was thinking about maybe we have a big waiting room and we just have like a little trivia to get the first 3. So it's like, you know, whoever answers a question right first of 3 people would become contestant 1. And then we get 3 more other people in my voice chat, and then I ask a question. Whoever answers first, they get to be contestant 2. And it'd be like kind of an elimination thing. So like multiple people get to compete. So that'd be like 9 people versus 3 people competing, right? But what we have to figure out a way that. So y'all let me know. Give me some feedback if you think that's a good idea. Kind of doing like a little bit of, you know, it's like more content, man. It's more fun. So if you want to participate in this, you have to be part of our Discord, and you have to have a microphone. and there is no guarantee that you'll even become a contestant. Dude, it's literally like the game show where you're like getting picked out of a crowd, like Price is Right, dude. It's like, I don't know how to do this to be, you know, not picking favorites to be fair, okay? So that's what we're gonna do, something like that. So let everyone know. Start promoting the crap out of this thing, Jeopardy. TA Jeopardy, Meme Jeopardy, and other things too. But I've already finished the TA side of it. So now I have to just work on memes and the other parts, okay? Any recommendations? Oh yeah, the other one, another category. See, I don't want to talk about it yet, okay?
Weekend of 6.90 is best tip. Also dollar pics, please.
Alright. Go to Shed Man, that's the 21, dude. Thanks, dude. Put it on the list. Oof. It's gonna be like Patreon night, dude. Thanks for the $27.90, dude. Kind of sexual, right? A little sexual. Thanks, dude. Alright. Let's get through this. Hey, man. Y'all need to know. Okay. I guess I'm gonna be promoting on Instagram. 122 followers. Yeah, I'm big time, dude. Big time. William Baker, I'm home, dude. That's right. Long day yesterday, man. Thank God I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay, dude. Whew. Monkey S. Swing trader, Eric. Win. Swing trade. And position trade, too. The music makes it hard to concentrate. You can't concentrate with instrumental jam band music playing? What? Yeah, you might need to talk to your doctor about ADD medicine or something, right? I don't know, man. Happy about Vet, not Dash. That's okay, man. Nothing wrong with Vet. V-Chain doing things. Alright. We've been talking about the Momo shifting, but the credit goes to Bradford on his entry. I think Phil had something to do with it too. Hold on. Getting through this, man. We got some stuff to look at, alright? Let's just go on to Ethereum. Alright, just chomping along, man. At this point, you probably want to just do this, man. It's like something like that, making an adjustment. Really. Right. And it's like, is that even the case? I mean, it's probably just some sort of a channel, right? Yeah, dude, like you're like bouncing off the heart line, right? It's just like, it's almost close enough to a freaking rectangle, isn't it? But we know how that works, right? We know how it works. Huge impulse down, and then we have slightly down sloping consolidation. That's not a bear flag. Not really. So that means we do have the opportunity to run down into like 124, 125. But I mean, look at the way it's working, dude. You had a low, you made your lowest low, and you run up, you make a higher low. You're now making another higher low with a downsloping resistance. I mean, that's kind of like inverse head and shoulder-esque, you know? I mean, Bitcoin kind of doing similar stuff, right? Look, man, I just think that, remember what's going on. You're in the middle of a potential huge rising wedge pattern. And so, yeah, man, really, it's just matter of time. We're waiting, man, waiting on Bitcoin. This thing's going to do exactly what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin will spray the upside. Ethereum's going to do it too. But really, the thing is, like, with that, Bitcoin could stay sideways, whatever. But if there's enough demand to get Ethereum up, we could. Head and shoulders, though, like, I guess left shoulder, right shoulder. It's not like your standard inverse head and shoulders, and it's not that pretty. But I just like the higher low, okay? And if we have a pivot point now, what can we do? 1 and 2. Now you just have yourself some sort of looking triangle, right? Price contraction maybe going on. Keeping it simple. From the high point to low point, we've hit the 382. That has been the critical resistance we have never been at. That's like overhead resistance now. We can't even break it, man. You break the 382, though, could be a nice little move up, okay? Nice little move up to 153. We talked about yesterday. There was negative momentum on the same highs, whatever. All right, and then on the daily, remember, just keep your mind fresh here with this. a potential bearish Gartley. And that would mean it would take a while. We'd have to get all the way up here. I mean, that's high prices up here, almost $200. So it's still potential. It's daily time scale, and that means it could take a long time. I mean, this would be May up here. If it took this long to get up to this price, it'd be May. All right. Okay. XRP, USD. Here we are, dude. Here we are. More price contraction. Your 20, your 50, your 200 moving average are all converged together right next to each other. So, dude, I mean, this thing just looks coiled to make moves, the upside downside. I mean, pretty deep within the parameters of a triangle, and your channel's extended out from January 30th, dude. So, yeah, big moves coming, dude. Big moves coming, I think, for Ripple anyway. I mean, showing some accumulation, but, you know, the falling wedge, you hit a 382, you never hit the 50% or 618, which we were looking for. And really, if this thing broke to the upside, if it broke out, I mean, look, the lowest risk entry for anything like this is down here. So you're pretty close to the lower risk entries for these upsloping channels. And if we broke it, you know, a measured move of a triangle or something would put you at the top of the channel, which is a target for a trade. You know, that's how you do it, man. So, I'm just saying, there could be opportunity on XRP. It's our new stable coin, man. New stable coin. It's going to overtake the US dollar. 589. Holy crap. All right. Good God. Maybe it was the rising wedge. Jeez. You want to see the most beautiful rising wedge that you've ever seen, probably? I don't know. Activision Blizzard had a fantastic one. Alright, yeah, you know. Maybe not, dude. I don't know, right? It's like that. You broke it, though. Hold on, dude. Well, let me see here, and I don't think you have any kind of pattern. I mean, harmonic. What was I thinking, dude? You do have a nice channel. That's for sure, dude. That's a beautiful channel, dude. Oh yeah, real nice channel, right? Heart line, 75, 75, 25. Heart line, 75, right? Using as resistance. Beautiful. This trend's been going on. I mean, this huge move up. I mean, that was February 2018, year ago.
Men, good day to you. Could you check in on WTC/BTC? Thanks.
Hey, Beeswaxers, thanks for the $5, man. And Waman, M, and Arthur. Yeah, we'll look at Walton Coin, man. Walton Coin always reminds me of hotels, dude. Because of the Westin. I have no idea why my brain correlates like that. It's not my fault, dude. I think it's like mnemonics. It's like my brain's naturally trying to do mnemonics on all these S coins to, you know, that's why I'll have all these stupid names for all these stupid S coins. That's why we, like, I don't know, meme it. Anyway, I don't know, would it start there? Just like this? Yeah, that's probably it. You just like that, right, man? That's it. That's pretty much it, dude. Okay. Let's make it to where we can't see this on the 4-hour. Only on the daily and the weekly. Okay, it didn't show up on the 4-hour. Great. These better. We just leave that. Okay, so let's see if this works. Nice. Yeah, that's it, dude. That's the wedge, man. Okay. Okay, so let's go at the daily and see if there's any kind of oh my god, yeah, right? It's like high, higher high, higher high, about the same high, slightly higher high. Dude, quadruple MACD bearish divergence going on right now, man. Get ready for it. Get freaking ready for Twilio. Get ready. I'm not kidding, dude. Guess what, dude? What more could you possibly want on Twilio, dude? And you're at the 75% trend line that's clearly been used as resistance over and support. Support, resistance, support, support, right? Over and over and over. So we know this trend line is very significant historically. So good luck breaking that with quadruple MACD bearish divergence, with the rising wedge, with some RSI bearish divergence. Good luck, dude. Good luck. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Start trying to keep up with this, man. It's like you have to, otherwise it'll just get out of control. You have to like manage and babysit every single trend line you plot on the oscillators, because when you change time scales, it doesn't automatically just do it for one time scale. It's annoying. What's up, Bluey, dude? Where the F and F is XRP gonna break out? Dude, just relax, man. Just calm down. You don't have to just look, dude. See that kind of thinking right there? You're asking, when's it gonna do it, man? It's like, that means you're clearly not looking and scanning other charts, okay? That means you are fixated on XRP. I can just tell, man. I can tell when you type like that. You are in love with XRP. Stop being in love with XRP. Be in love with the technical analysis. See, that's the thing. Make the shift, man. Join us. One of us. One of us. Google gobble. Google gobble. Where's the link, HG, man? It's there's no link. It's a good idea though. I'll put it in my description. I'll just do that right now. Screw it, man. Who cares, dude? We'll get there, man. We'll get there on all this stuff, dude. All right. But again, y'all are having a good one, man. Thanks for being here, everyone. All right. Big Kangs doing things.
Is that a joint?
Well, I'm trying to. I have other sound clips now, and I don't. There we go. Let's use that one. Thanks for the Iowa Hawkeye in the jar. Y'all are absolutely incredible. I love y'all. So, okay, it's now there. All right, I've now put my Instagram in the description below just so you can click it and it's easy. All right, click it or tick it. Cool, dude. Thanks for the 154 people here on YouTube. Much love. Anyone get it? Anyone, man? Rising wedge, cone setting variables, prepare to get destroyed. All right. This one's just like, what? Okay. We're just gonna go to Bitcoin Cash US dollar on Coinbase. I don't know. I've never. I think I did it once or something. I don't do. Gap down. Yeah, they remember the fork. It's a breakaway gap, man. Or is it? High volume. Well, the volume came in after, so that might have been capitulation. My God. Dude, what do you want me to do with this crap? I mean, let's zoom in, okay, and just look at this formation right here. Okay, what can we even do with this? It's like you clearly broke. If you go from 1 and 2, you broke it, right? You're making higher. Well, did you? Dang. And if you adjust here, you haven't, right? Had it like that. Some heartline stuff, right? Huh, maybe 25. Maybe equidistant channel might be good. I don't know. Not quite, man. So it seems like you're kind of trying to break out. You're making higher lows than your previous lows, right? So one could just say pivot point 1 and 2. But see, I hate these ones because there's too much white space, and it's like literally not even regarding this support. It's like below it and using it as resistance now, dude. This is like dumpster fire. Hate this stuff, dude. But let's just, when in doubt, just fib it, man. Clear discernible swing high to low. We haven't even, we ran up, we had a 23% retrace. What happened when we had the 23% retrace? Sold off, versus our price action. So we know it's a swing low, major swing low. So if you were to break out, you know your next move, your target would be 207.41. That's so far away, man. Like, that's crazy. You got bullish convergence on the RSI. You had extreme bullish divergence here. I mean, that is crazy daily bullish divergence before the pop to the upside. Okay, now, you know, no more foreshadowing for us, right? Slightly higher lows. Yeah, man, we'll see, dude. If you're breaking this down sloping resistance right now, again, in time, you would want to see 207.41. If you could break that, you could run up to 289.59. But dude, the gap down, I don't really know, man. Like, gaps don't happen in crypto unless forks and crazy stuff happen, or, you know, exchanges go down. And in that case, is it even psychologically analyzed the same way? I don't know, man. I don't think most people know. Really, not really. You know, people can have their thoughts and opinions, but no one really knows. This new market, this kind of stuff is very, very abnormal and very rare. So if you were to break some sort of downsloping resistance, man, that's a momentum shift with the higher lows. Yeah, it could see 207 or 289.59. Two closest fib nodes to you. All right. No real resistance till you get up to 207 either. I mean, not really. There's your BCH. Someone argues the best scrubby S coin, Kappa. I don't know. Okay, theta. Alright, dude. Theta coin, Kang coin. Right? So what happens, dude? You break out of downsloping resistance points, structures, you go sideways. Enough time to where people that think we broke out, they give up at whatever, man. But then you make those higher lows than that previous low, than the lowest low. You run up. Look at me, what is that? Pumpy dumpy, 88.6% retrace from the high to the low. Okay, great. Came back down, rounded out. You formed some sort of cup with handle. You broke to the upside. You hit the target of the measured move of the cup with handle. Then you formed a slight falling wedge pattern or pennant. Okay, measured move of that. You broke out. You exceeded the living crap out of that, and you just kept going, man. You ran up. You hit the 1272 fib extension. That's your target. If you ever break all-time highs, and you can run up, you're most likely going to run to that 1272. Okay, did we hit a psychological number? I mean, no, we exceeded 5,000. We hit 52.23. So 5,000 was another just area, right? We had never had a candle close above. We had candle closes right at 5,000 sats. Okay, dude. There you go, man. Rounded number, man. All right. So for now, probably something going on, and I don't want to really get rid of stuff because it's all good educational analysis, man. Like, you just hate it. But like, what do? You broke out of a channel, 1 and 2 anchor points there, maybe even 3. There you go. See, look, if you have it like that, you just do 1. Really, stand back one more. Huh. Okay, we go 1 candle close. Bunch of wicks. You broke it, and completely, as soon as you broke it, you closed in reverse, right? And so now if you have this next anchor point right there, you've broken out, right? 1 and 2 on the bottom. You're out. You just ran and hit that 200 moving average on the 4 hour, and you've since pulled back. But, you know, from your... Oh, and now we can fib it. Let's refib. Okay, well, thank you so much, Fibs, so much for when you were relevant. You meant so much to us. Now we get rid of you, and now we refib. Okay, and we're just going to go, I think, from the bottom to the top. 50% retrace, right? Haven't had a candle close below that 50% retrace at 3,221. So we know the golden zone for this right here, for theta, is going to be right here. There you go, golden zone. Oh, hey man, is this cup with handle education? Yep, cup with handle education, right? Rounding, you run up. You want, normally the strongest patterns are the ones that make the same high or higher highs. Pull back, they form some sort of consolidation pattern, flag, pennants, break out, run again. Targets, measure, move, the tallest part of the cup. Beautiful, man. Every time we do theta, we do cup with handle education, man. Oh my god. We should do that. Just like start doing random charts on random things, and every time someone asks about it, we just do random education, right? I don't know. Holy crap, man. Unreal, right? Unreal. Look at this sucker, dude. It's crazy. Paychecks, right? Zoomed out. Beautiful upsloping channel, dude. Beautiful. But at the top, man, bullish 5-0 or shark, whatever. XAB, C, D. Okay, you're at the D. You're right there, man. Doji, oh, look what you did today. Wow, man. Almost hit that freaking top trend line of the channel. So, yeah, I know people were getting in on this, and they got that bearish engulfing, sold off. But look what happened. We bounced off the 20-day moving average, pivoted, gapped up again today. And we formed ourselves. Close to a doji, man. Just almost... could possibly be our, look at the rejection we got up here. This looks like an evening star right here, dude. Just a weird, larger evening star with the wigs. Okay, the body's perfect to call this an evening star reversal. We come up, right, we break down, we come up, we attempt to rally, we show tons of rejection, confirming the end of this huge rally run, whatever. And it could be dumping time. Look, man, that's just what this candle means psychologically when it acts as a reversal pattern. That's the evening star. Okay. The inverse of the evening star is what, chat? First person who says it is Kang. Go. Come on. And I'm not doing any more analysis till someone answers it right, and I know it'll be quick, but we just need to see who's on top of their game right now, all right? Beautiful cipher, man. Oh, harmonics, man. Harmonic house, baby. This is the harmonic house. You won't get this anywhere else. And remember, if you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub while you're picking your brain for this, the inverse of this pattern. It would be like this, man. It would be this pattern, but green. Anyway, I'm gonna get through some more chat right now. I mean, we're making good time. I got one more, you know, Walton coin after this, and then we're gonna be able just to do whatever at that point. Okay, unless people keep tipping, requesting stuff. Okay. Do I think the bearish harmonic will still play out? Yeah. I mean, like, do I think it will? I mean, I don't know if it will, right? Fuchi, how about that? I don't know, but I like predictable patterns. I like geometry. I like history repeating itself. I believe in harmonics wholeheartedly. So if it doesn't work out, does it really matter? It's not the biggest thing. We just know we have an entry up there for a short position, and if it happens, it's just a potential trade setup. Just like, hey man, if we come down to this area after bottoming out, we run up 50%, 38%, we sell off, hey, there's an entry for a double bottom down here because we're showing bullish divergence. All right, if it doesn't work out, who cares? But we have the chance to do it, man. See what I'm saying? It's not always about do I think it will. It's more about if it does happen, we know what to do when it hits, right? If it hits. That's what trading is about. It is now in the description, HG. Yeah, dude. So I'm really behind on chat. Gorduski, man, we looked at XRP. What are you doing, dude? But this was literally like 30 minutes ago. Holy crap. It's true. One more record. If you're frustrated by someone, why listen to them at all? That's self-torture. Yeah, dude. Don't watch the stream if you don't like the fish jams. Sorry, man. Because I need a little bit of music too. I can hear this fish, and I like jam band music. Okay, instrumental, so it doesn't, you know, if there's people singing, it makes it tougher, right? I can understand someone complaining then, but dude, if it's just like guitar playing, dude, it's really not that distracting. Unless you seriously have like a attention deficit disorder. Seriously, I mean, I get that. That's, again, you might want to do something. Coffee helps, whatever. Overhyped S coins for 300, please.
Will you be able to analyze ELF possible cup and handle forming?
Mount Fuji, man. Thanks so much, dude. Yeah, we'll look at ELF, dude. We're right after Walton Coin. Thank you, man, for the Tron Connect and the jar, dude. Yeah, what is XRP, right? Rat poison for 100 sats. Yeah, dude. What's up, Ans? I seem happy today. The trip did it to me, man. Going there to Atlanta and knowing where I'm going next. I'm going to LA very soon for more travel and TA with Mitch Ray. Dude, I'm very excited, man. I feel like when I get back from LA, I'm probably going to start planning another trip or something, right? Who cares? Is this live Harry Paper? No, it's definitely not. You're screwed. I used to play a lot of poker, man. Yeah, tons of poker, man. Poker to me is a lot like trading. A lot of similarities in it. What's up, Larly, dude? Sorry, man. I'm just like so behind. I'm trying to like get through all this chat, man. You take that back. Walton Coin is not an S coin. It's going to change the world. Like Engie Coin, you'll see. That's right, HG, dude. You got the right mindset, dude. What's up, Zamura? Hey, I'm from Zamunda, dude. Okay. So, what is it? I was about to say soiling my royal oats. I guess that's it, right? Sowing, not soiling, because one's different than the other.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
Wimbager, again, thanks for helping us, or keeping us from being in love with any S coin. Definitely trading with a lot less emotions than prior to TA. Yeah, dude, Wimbager, man. So you gotta have it, man. You gotta stay grounded, dude. Okay? Inverse of the moon. Staying on the ground. Staying on the ground is the way you'll actually make gains. Sorry, Louis, man. Well, you really need to figure out your purpose in life, man. You need to find something you love. First off, I mean, if you're homeless and you were fired for buying crypto, dang, dude, that's a fireable offense. I guess that would make sense, man. In the finance industry, but in the regular industry, I don't know why anyone would even know you bought crypto. But, hey, man, get your head right, dude. Sorry to hear that. What's up, Nikolai? Nikolai. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Go. What more do you want? Adam and Eve. Adam and Steve. Eve and something that rhymes with it. Beautiful, beautiful potential double bottom with that crazy, crazy Class B bullish divergence. After tremendous amounts of incessant selling, it's been going on for many eons. Eons in crypto goes back to January of 2018. So what happened? The Momo shifted. We're out. We're out, and we're just looking for that first target. Always on these potential double bottoms. If you can signify and see, identify, and get in, take a shot. This is something similar we did with the Bitcoin with that double bottom, right? You run up, you take a little profit just in case the trade fails. Protect yourself and the time that you spent being in this position. Opportunity cost, right? That's why at necklines, scenario where people take profit, but what would happen is you would hope we would run up, sell off a little bit. See, we're starting to get close to that overbought territory. Surely, probably at this point on the 4 hour, we're overbought. So you want to get up to this area, reset the oscillators, flag a little bit, pin it, and then run again. And you know the measure move from the low point to the high point of the neckline of the pattern. That's it, dude. And that'd be another target for you. Or if you fancied yourself some sort of a Fibonacci man or woman, high to low, you could just fib it, man. 618, 786, 100%, whatever. It's up to you. Like, you can pick your targets. You don't have to. You can be more conservative about things. You can be looser if you think, man, this thing's been selling off so freaking long now. But look, another thing happened here, right? It's just like so many others. Touch point 1 and 2. What did we do? We broke, right? We broke a down sloping structure that had been in development, right? It was like the angle of descent got lower and lower, and then it stopped. The pivot, man. You pivoted. Remember last night we were talking about being in the river, going with the flow? We talked about life, man. We talked about things in life where you have to go with the flow. Fighting the flow, you'll wear yourself out. You'll get fatigued, and you won't be able to handle it. And you're going to let go, and life's going to take you where it takes you anyway. So why not just let go and go with it, man? All right? That's like swing trading. The Momo shifted. Here you go, man. So we're looking for. Here's that measured move. Sorry, it wasn't even on the daily, but measured move was putting you in like 45.31 on Walton Coin. At this point, high to low, hitting a 618 golden retrace. So these are areas where if it really failed, around here, I mean, like this is the golden zone, 382 to 618, and then you're now exceeding the 618, which is brilliant, and you're actually not even overbought yet, but you're made a high. You're making a higher high, and so far you're making lower levels of relative strength, but on the MACD, bullish convergence, really. I mean, these are highs. Now we're making higher highs with higher levels of positive momentum. Interesting, right? But beautiful, man. So on the 4 hour, we had bullish divergence. And on this double bottom, it was like a double bottomception on Walton Coin. Okay, because the right bottom on the daily actually had a double bottom. Right? Actually 3 different bottoms, right? Dude, oh my God, Exhibit, where are you, man? Look, dude. You zoom in, you had a double bottom. You had 2 double bottoms, really. Double bottom, that made us have 1 bottom that made the double bottom. This gave us the Eve double bottom. Wow. And on the 4 hour, Class B bullish divergence from this low to this low. On the daily, from this low to this low, Class B bullish divergence. Hey, time scale hopping. It's part of finding out coinciding variables, isn't it? Adds to that bucket. Not bucket, sorry. The mixing bowl that we talk about all the time. With your milk and eggs and batter, or whatever the batter is. Vanilla extract. And other things too. Again, I'll get into baking at some point. Maybe when I move, I'll get into baking so I'm better at doing that. I always forget like the real ingredients for baking, but you get it. Remember, it's like not personifying, just making a simile. You know, where the bullish divergence is like the egg, the double bottom is like the milk. Or you could do, not simile, what's the other one? Where it's not like or as. It doesn't matter, dude. Y'all get it. We'll get there, man. Anyway, so far, 32.96. We're up today, 7.36%. Way far away from any kind of entry on Walton Coin, man. Patreon. Kings. Okay, there you go, dude. Sorry, we went into it, man. We went into it. Bitcoin 38.67 right now. Trying to get above that 20 moving hours in the 4 hour. Come on, dude. Let's go. And keep getting through chat. I think we're striking a pretty good balance. Not really. I think the balance is gone. It's not Thanos engagement chart balance. We've been way over on the charts, but that's okay, man. Getting a lot of stuff done. Okay, let's go to Elf. Elf, man. Another Momo shift, dude. Oh, really? Another Momo shift? What? Range bound? Broke it? Right, yeah, man. So like 1 and 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top, 75% resistance, heartline resistance, 25% support, heartline support, 75% resistance, heartline support. Okay, and then we went sideways. And when you go sideways long enough, you are going to break those downsloping structures you've been in for like over a year, right? And so, hey, man, we were range bound. Support, higher, low. And honestly, man, it's like you can see the makings, besides the stupid wick right here, man, the makings of a inverse head and shoulders. People could argue that it was a diamond because of this crazy run, right? And I'm just talking about from 1 and it's really like 2. Okay. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Not a very pretty one, man. Not a very pretty one, right? But diamond-esque. The warring between buyers and sellers, where you start out with a low high and a certain low. You bottom out, then you make it, in the middle, or on, somewhere in the middle, you start getting more volatility, and then the volatility contracts again. And that's really just the psychology of a diamond reversal. It's kind of what you got here, to some degree. Okay. And so eventually what's going to happen, buyer or seller, one side's going to win and you break out. And you're talking about any kind of, and really, look, the beauty is you can be right a bunch of different ways, right? If you were like, okay, man, this is some sort of rectangle. Okay, rectangle, it looked like it. Measure move the rectangle. There you go, you've exceeded the rectangle's measured move. Diamond, same thing, from the low to high. It was actually a little bit higher. It's fine, you hit a diamond target too, man, okay? Again, not a very pretty diamond, but you get it, man. All you need are 2 trend lines on each, 2 anchor points on each trend line to give yourself that valid diamond. Despite how ugly it is. They're supposed to be ugly, actually. They're not supposed to really be symmetrical. That's the difference between the head and shoulders and the diamond, where you have oblong shoulders. That's actually a characteristic of the diamond. Okay. Others can argue, hey man, actually, dude, the rectangle is up here, measured move. I mean, you have not even come close to the measured move then. But we can fib this now. Where's the discernible swing? Dude, really? I mean, these are not real swing highs daily. Real swing high. Looking like up here, man. One of these two, okay? Makes the most sense, right? I think right here, right? That looks like the real swing high. It's a low on a daily. Haven't hit a 23%. You're probably going to see resistance at 5,088 sats if you can get there, man. If you can get there. But here we go, man. You're double topping with daily divergence, Class B bearish divergence on ELF. So there's, unless this just keeps building, unless we start getting some volume infusion, this could break down. But again, look, it's not over yet, but you're clearly seeing some stalling going on. Class B bearish divergence is not the strongest form. If we start making higher highs on daily, that means we're going to be getting Class A bearish divergence, which is the strongest form. So this could be double topping. Very well could be double topping. And look here, man. Look here. Listen. You got triple RSI bearish divergence in the making right now. Do you see it? 1, 2, 3. High, higher high. All same high. Much lower levels of relative strength. Get it? So this thing could be done for a little bit. Unless you somehow just start getting volume coming in. It was great to see the volume come in, right, on the breakout of the rectangle. That's great, dude. And on the daily, yeah, it does look like the rectangle's off. Like the 4 hour looked good, but the daily, man, yeah, you're looking at something like this, okay. Do you see it? Daily rectangle. You look, you couldn't break it at first. You sold off, and then premature breakout, and then ran, back tested, gone on the rally. Above the 200-day moving average, above the 20, above the 50. All right, so if this was the way you'd look at it on a daily time scale, and this makes sense, there's nothing wrong with it. This means you gotta be patient, let it play out. Measure move here, not even close yet. Not even close. Measure move would put you around 4,900 sats on Elf Coin. Holy crap, man. Dude, let's get some likes, man. Let's get some freaking like spikes going here. Y'all, 150 people in chat. Let's get 100 for Side Girl. Get those fireworks going, man. Anyway. There was an airdrop on Theta today. Brown Hole, man. Oh my god, man. Thanks, Len Marito, for being here and enjoying the random education, dude. I'm so behind. Morningstar looks like Robert Kirk. He got it, man. Sorry on that, but Robert Kirk won, dude. He won. Unless I'm that behind. No, I think we're good. I think we're good. Robert Kirk won the ball game. Holy crap, man. Dude, we've been going, dude. No, Robert Kirk won, y'all. Sorry. But good effort on the two other people that guessed, I guess, right? What's up, Crypto Fish, man? Okay. TA. Yeah, we're going to get Vet. Oh, Vet's on the list. Actually, Vet was next, man. We're going to look at it. You talking about what's the deal with PayPal? What is the deal with PayPal and airplane peanuts? Pablo, you trying to be Seinfeld, dude? Swilling your royal oats. Something went wrong there. Yeah. Something went really wrong, dude. Oh, the Even Steve. Sorry, dude. That's it. Even Stevens. Buster, how's the ATL trip? It was good, man. It was really, really good. It was cathartic. It was eventful. So many people. It's really somewhere where I can go to get my balance again. My social life balance. Because I have put my social life on hold to build all this stuff you're seeing now. Okay. But it's gonna be good, man. No, we didn't look at Vet. Oh my god, dude. Alright, that's it, dude. That's it.
Veach ain't doing things. Bueller, Bueller, Bueller.
We're gonna do it again, man.
Veach ain't doing things.
Dude. I mean, TA's fake, man. It's not like we didn't have this plotted literally forever. Forever. We broke it. We made a higher low. We formed a little wedgie wedge, the Momo shift, the higher lows. We broke the downsloping resistance, and look where we are now. We are at 54% of 1 cent. VeChain up 16.5%. Where's Vet Moon Boy when you need him, man? Where is he, dude? Doing things. Is VeChain gonna do things? Yeah, it already has. Probably gonna see resistance at 6,049 where that wick is on the daily, man, back from August 2018. You want real life fibs, dude? IRL fibs, here they are for VeChain. High to low. Candle close to candle close. 236, man, 70% of 1 cent. That's the 236. 200-day moving average, 79% of 1 cent. Trade was, look, perfect trade, right? Trade setup. All right, we talk about what happens when you break down-sloping resistance points and Momo shifts in these certain situations. Impulse down. Here's consolidation. When you break it, the entry is right on that breakout. Look, man, here was the high point, right? We fibbed, though, from this high to low because we had so there were multiple ways to look at this, okay? So the falling wedge, you had the measured move of the falling wedge on the breakout. Look what we've just done. Oh, my God, I need a sound clip for respecting the TA or something, dude. Jeremy Ragsdale needs to make a respect the TA button sound clip because, dude, this is stupid. This is fat and stupid. PHAT. Pretty hot and tempting. Wonderful, man. As we speak, the measured moves being hit. The top trend line of the upsloping channel being hit. That doesn't warrant 100 likes. This doesn't warrant 100 likes. The TA like this, dude. Give me a break, man. Whatever. Overbought right now on the 4 hour, sitting at 75, 74.5, whatever. But yeah, really, you know, if you fibbed from the top point to the low point of the wedge, you could have done that. Or you could have gone the high point of the structure to the low point. It was fine too. And you'd have hit your targets, all of them. I mean, 100% retrace. Actually, you didn't hit this yet. You haven't even hit it. But so it was good the way we looked at it in case this thing craps out, you know. Us being overbought now, it's good. Being a little conservative. But holy crap. You know, on a swing trade, though, man, this is not even close to being done if it's to really play out. Because, dude, we know our major swing highs, right? We know them. Let's look at these major real-time swing highs, dude. Dude, if this can't summon Vet Moon Boy, nothing will, dude. All right. We already have them. Yeah, the high. We already did this high to low, right? We're looking for 7,059 just to even know if we have a swing low. And it makes sense, right? This is how we know it probably makes sense, right? Your 236 is touching that candle close from August of 2018. It's a good way to sometimes, that's like how you check your fib math, right? When you start seeing like old support resistances and they're starting to line up pretty well with the fibs, it's a way that you know. It's like a math check, just like, you know, the equidistant channel, checking those heart lines, those 25, 75 trend lines. Oh yeah, whatever, dude. No one cares. Voltaire, I'm glad you're dying of the Google gobble, man. Beatrice says the thing about life is that you nearly always pull through even after it gets really bad. Amen to that, Beatrice. Amen. The hardest part is actually finding what you really want. Yeah, Zantej, dude, absolutely, man. It's very true. That's why discovering the secret of life, and that is finding your purpose, that's the secret. It's important to be young, to yearn for that at a young age versus being really old. And it sucks, man, because you're putting yourself at a serious disadvantage. And that's why I wish younger people watch this show, but it's like, it's the nature of it where the less money you have, the less inclined you're going to be, and the younger you are, the less inclined you're going to be to think about the future. Therefore, those people that aren't watching, man, they're missing out seriously, right? Experience is taking off. EXP. Are you leveling up, Justin Kingman? What's up, Private Wims, dude? Do I think the bottom's in for crypto? I think we hit some sort of, obviously a major swing low was hit December 15th. That doesn't mean the bottom's in at all. I don't know if the bottom's in, and I'm not going to answer if it is, okay, because it's speculative, and I think there's just too many variables to know for sure. I think right now, though, we could be witnessing an altcoin spring. I mean, dude, people living under a rock, man, we're seeing altcoins go stupid hard to the upside. And it's not because it's random, it's because of bullish divergence, Momo shifts, trends being broken that stem back to December of 2018, no, 2017, all right? So much stuff, dude, going on. What's up, Miguel, man? Oh, yeah? Oh, sorry. My bad, dude. Oh, Melissa and Dan, I'm sorry about that.
I like turtles.
I'll give you a couple more.
I like turtles. I like turtles.
Oh, we did it. We like, you know, we owed interest on the I Like Turtle debt. All right, Melissa, Dan, y'all are still here. Crypto.com, connect, HG, man. Hey, here's a real good picture of the golden mean ratio in spiral galaxies, man. There it is. That is it. The 1618. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Also here on this. Oh my god, man. Don't think so, man, but whatever, dude. Hey, remember, if you're just tuning in, follow me on Instagram. If you want to see more of my life. Hey, look, there it is, Crow, dude. Up 100. Look, 167% up. Look on the ticker. Look at that stupid scrubby logo. It's like two squares. Trying to be like Verge with two triangles, man. Way over there now. Wow. Remember we saw the other one, dude. Wow. Y'all going nuts on this gold mean ratio stuff, man. Hold on a sec. Will we be kings, man? Maybe. We might be kings. Soon. My right eye's itching now. That's right, Dan, man. Then have a kid. What? Those smartwatches for you, dudes. Yeah, we're definitely behind. We didn't do the look on the 8s, did we? I guess we'll do it real quick. Local on the lates, dude. Wake up. Crypto Chef, I'll put MDA on the list, okay, man? Really? They want my internet. I don't know. It's back now. Throttled. Hey, dude, guess what happens when I move to Atlanta, too? I get fiber internet. So that means I get a gig, and that means I can actually stream in 4K. If you have 4K TVs and stuff, you'll be able to see my ugly face that much better. Holy crap. Took Cal HS, dude. Dude, it might be a little loud here.
Look at the beauty. Do you see? Do you see?
That boy is good.
I like turtles.
Julie, do you like turtles too?